somebody, what could somebody expect if they came to this seminar? What are they going to get out of it?
Okay, right now?
Yeah, right now.
Okay. I think that I want to explain a lot of myths and misunderstandings about what Kundalini is and what it is not. With the advent of yoga and meditation getting so popular, a lot of people are having spiritual experiences that are odd and don't understand. And Kundalini is often one of the things that is occurring, and people don't know to expect it or recognize it when it takes place. So this seminar will help people understand that a little bit better. We're going to cover that. You would also have some spiritual experiences yourself. It's a possibility for that to take place. My gift with the Kundalini I've had is to heal people. Been fortunate to have that gift, and so people will notice those experiences. Fortunately, I've been the subject of scientific studies where they studied healers. One of them is a published study. And so I just want to share what I've learned over the years. It's taken a long time for me to make sense of it. So it's going to be exciting. It'll be unlike anything you've seen in all likelihood.